welcome back to my channel. As you know, today is Father's Day. So I thought, I should make a Father's Day program, and this video is made for my Papa Sunny Baba specially. So I thought I could make a program on Father's Day for fathers. So you can also try that. You can surprise your father. So let's get going. You can see my screen. I've opened my PyCharm. Today I'm doing on PyCharm because I tried one time to do the 2021 eggs there. So here is my PyCharm. I done it before, so let's start it. First, I'll make a variable called a. I not that. I'll just put a space here. H-A, one second. H-A-P-P-Y. I've just got some functions. And it was space fathers. Space day space, and after that I'll get a variable name b is equals to inverted comma space world, one second, worlds, and I've just got to put this world's best dad. One second, I'll just put some exclamation marks, 3 exclamation marks and space. So now, one second, yes, now it's right. Now after this, I write print A. Yes. Now I'll run this after this first, and you already know what will come. Happy Father's Day. Now after print, I put print. This is new to you. Print a dot strip. Oh sorry. I'll strip. 1 second. Strip. And it's a function, that's why I put this. Strip is a function. And after that, I'll show you how it works. Look at that. Look, this was having space and this is not. Because the strip function removes the space, like I've put in space here and space here. It removes that. So now after this, I write print len, and this is also a function, len, and the function brackets, and we'll write something inside that, which will be our a variable. Now I'll run it. See, look, because this len does, it counts the number of things you have written and even with the spaces. So now I'll write print brackets a dot up a dot upper. And what are you thinking? What will happen? I think you suppose it will come a bit up. No. See, it is coming in uppercase. It's capital all. That's why I didn't write in caps lock, because I've already have a function that can make it in caps lock. The whole sentence in caps lock. After that, print. And we can do one more thing. A plus B. And now that I run it, it's coming Happy Father's Day, World's Best Dad, because it's concatenate with A plus B. Now there's one more function, like I write print. We can do so many things from only a print. And there's a function called A. A. Then we'll put these square brackets. See these square brackets? I'm giving it range. And I'll put these double dotted columns. And here I'll write any number like 6 and then 13. Let's see. Look, it's like one second. And oh look, it's only coming father, because 6th word is this, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, because the space is also counted. That's why it's only coming father. And S, I think, is not counted here. So now, after this, we'll do something with this function only. Print, space, int, and that was like, yes. It was A, then these square brackets, column, and only I'll write a number in this area, like 6. Means it will come 0 to 6. Means 0 to 6. Hey, that's nice. So now, after this function, we'll do one more thing. Print A square brackets, column, what was it? It was print, not A, it was B. And then here I'll just put a number, not even here, I'll put here 8. Let's see. Means best dad is coming only here. Best dad. With 3 extension marks. So now I'll define a variable. Sorry, it was function. So I'll just get def. Once again, I'll just add one more. Def space fathers. Oh, sorry, it was father only. Def father. And I'll put these functions. So inside that, I'll write x. And then here, I'll write print t. No. Sorry, it was print x. I'll just write print x. So let's run it. Sorry, I forgot because we have to even call the function like we do in like HTML. We do script tag like that. We have to also call the function. So I'll get father loving. Father, it's like print, look. It's so annoying. Oh, sorry, I have to put that also. Loving. Now I think it will work. One second, what has happened? One second, I forgot a thing here. I forgot to put the column, which we put it in this function now. I forgot to put this column here. You have to also put this. So now, I think it was run. Yes, it's run. Loving. Because here I've called this function father and it's like print loving. So father, when I call this function, it will come loving. Now let's make a list. This is a very new topic for you all. Everything is new. You don't know it that much. So now I'll put a variable with a name which is father s fathers, and then I'll put is equals to, and we'll put the same square brackets we put it in this function. New. So now here I'll put these and get loving and after this I'll put space and then again these. I forgot to put the comma in here. Also we have to put commas. So after that I'll put a caring, caring, comma space, and you can even put more things instead of 3 or 4, but I'm writing 3. Amazing. I was just saying it, for a joke in a video. Actually, it's amazing. So now I'll show you out. Oh, sorry, I didn't print it. Print fathers. Fathers. Now I'll run it. We have here loving. We have here loving, caring, and amazing. Wow. Now, if I have to get one more thing in this list, and the last of here, without even changing this, I'll just use this function. Fathers, fathers, dot append, append means adding a thing, and this and responsible. And then I'll go here, print again. I'll print fathers, and then I'll just write it up. Look, this first was loving, caring, amazing. Now it's loving, caring, amazing, and responsible. And look at here, I didn't even change this fathers equals to list, and it worked because of this function. And all fathers are responsible. So now I'll put another variable, which is C, is equals to, what was that? Yes. Love you, Papa. Love you, Papa. Now let's see. And this is the last thing I'm doing. This is the last time I'm writing print. Yes, this is the last topic. Print C. And you notice one thing about me. Whenever I'm writing print now, I was not putting the these two things, inverted commas. I'm not putting that because we are calling a function. I'm only printing a variable, and I'm only using it if I have to print something like father's daughter friend, like these things, father loving. So now if I'll run it, I'll get love you, Papa in the last. Looks so nice. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little bell. I just copied something. So bye.